Alright, got my big dog out. This is my Noreen firearms build, 308. Atlas bipod, rugged razor, 1 in 10 stainless steel barrel. I had all this Cerakoted, and I think I just painted that barrel. Maybe that one's not painted. Anyways, I got my gas turned off on this one. So this is basically a single shot. Get that set to 15. This is the Vortex Viper PST Gen 2. And it is a beast. Let's see if this one is still on. This thing's, I've had some issues, as you can see. Having to pry that thing open. I was shooting 7.62 NATO ammo. And it was getting stuck in my 308 chamber, which I will not do anymore. I will stick to strictly hand loads. So, I believe these are 168 grain Hornady AMAX, which I do not like. So, I might just shoot all of them if I can take the kick from this, because she kicks like a mother with that gas turned off. But let's see if this one's still on. 2-stage trigger on this. Jeez. Make sure that went in the battery. Okay. Go to the little one. Oh. Well, guess we'll stick to the big target since that one's swinging. This 308's got some energy. And some recoil. Especially sending all the gas down my barrel. None of it's coming back to me. See if I can blow this little target off the chain completely. Nope, not yet. This one is fun to shoot, but my shoulder's usually purple afterwards. Jeez. Good gosh. I'm gonna have to walk in behind this thing. There we go. Yeah. Those are some clean hits. Hope I don't hit the chain on that one. And that's all. That one even walked back on that, so no issues there. So witness.